As you continue to walk, you can see the sky lighten in the east in front of you. As the sky continues to lighten, you can see mist rising from the warm water of the stream, winding its tendrils around the branches of the trees and floating hazily across the lane in front of you. The wooded hillsides all around you appear mysterious on this cloudy, rainy day, as if hiding another world in the mist and swirling leaves. You see the sun rising behind the trees, almost tentatively emerging from the clouds. The sunrise casts shades of pink and orange across the clouds. The view through the mist is stunningly surreal and dreamlike. You begin to see, with the breaking of day, that the trees have changed into their autumn dress. You see all around you the deep reds of the oak and the dogwood, the bright oranges of the sassafras and maples, and the sunshine yellow of the hickory trees and the birch, interspersed with the evergreens and the late changing trees still green. Some trees have vines running up their trunks, delivering a contrasting color. You see a bright red vine crawling up the trunk of a hickory, all dressed in yellow, and a still green vine winding around a crimson dogwood. The gentle breeze stirs the leaves of the trees, causing a cascade of leaves to float to the ground. You watch the dance of the leaves as they twirl around one another, drifting higher and then lower, gliding on the currents of the breeze. You watch a boat-like leaf that floats lazily from a tree on one side of the lane, crossing in front of you, twirling. As the first tendrils of the rising sun peek through the clouds, you notice the light sparkling on the yellow upper part of the leaf, contrasting with the darker underside shaded from the light. One by one, each leaf finds its way to the ground, some joining the multicolored blanket of leaves beneath the trees. You notice that some leaves sail on the currents, bringing them to rest lightly in the stream flowing beside the lane. You watch as the leaves swirl round and round in the water, floating down the stream. You come to a boulder beside the stream and feel the smooth wetness of the stone. You sit down to watch the leaves floating down the stream. You watch raptly as some of the leaves swirl together and apart. Others become glued to rocks in the stream, while others sink quietly beneath the water. And some resemble miniature boats, carrying tiny ferries to distant places. You notice the trees on the other side of the stream, hanging branches almost touching the water. You see the individual variation in the trees, how how the outermost branches become increasingly tinged with yellow and then with orange, while the leaves of the inner branches and those closest to the ground are still green. Overhead, the clouds continue to sprinkle the trees and your face with silvery raindrops. But in the east, you see the parting of the clouds to reveal the sun rising in all its splendor. You notice the sunlight playing on the surface of the water, the raindrops acting as a prism, causing a kaleidoscope of colors to dance above the stream. As you look away from the sun, you see a rainbow form across the stream, as if it were a bridge to the other side. You sit and listen to the soft sound of the rain, watching the leaves at play in the air and the water, as the breeze stirs the branches of the trees and ripples the water. The sunlight from the rising sun peers through the watery curtain of mist and raindrops, seemingly to cause the very air around you to shimmer and sparkle and glisten like falling diamonds. As the scene unfolds peacefully before you, a sense of complete and utter relaxation fills your body. You feel connected and at one with all that you experience. It is almost as if you are part of each raindrop and each leaf. You experience the sun rising through the mist so completely, so deeply. You feel so peaceful, so relaxed, deeply, deeply relaxed. All you need to do is imagine sitting on the boulder, watching the leaves through the rising mist, cascading down from the trees and dancing across the sparkling water. Whenever you picture this scene, you can feel the relaxation and oneness with nature that you feel now. You may enjoy this experience however long you like, and awaken peacefully whenever you choose, feeling refreshed and prepared for your day.